Hi friends, one of the important updates regarding the Infosys hiring 2026 related to preparation kits and complete detail I will provide. So many students are getting this mail that your journey with Infosys begins here off campus drive preparation kit. So if you are the candidates, first of all, if you got the mail, comment here you got the mail or not. Okay, so talking a little bit more about that. So this is just update related to your hiring, and there might be that your resume is shortlisted. As I have said that in Infosys actually there is no resume shortlist. I think everyone student will get the mail. Okay, so related to that they clearly mention the things which I already talked in earlier video, like the first there will be virtual assessment and we have to basically just appear for the coding questions. Okay, and then there will be in-person assessments and the interview will be there, so you have to at least solve at least 1.5 questions. That part they haven't mentioned, but the things I'm mentioning here that we have to focus on the preparation material and all those things. Okay, so Infosys have also shared the free preparation materials and some basically mock test and others, so I will suggest go there and utilize this time. Okay, they are giving some time to you, so utilize that. And this is sort of that many candidates are asking whether I am selected or means my resume is selected or not. I think every students got selected. If you haven't got the mail, comment here so that we'll get idea that whether they are doing the shortlisting or not. But according to previous year and all those stuff, every candidates will get the chance. Okay, but yeah, further अगर आपने resume अच्छा नहीं बनाया then you might get deselected in the interview and other, but for now it's the things. Okay, so talking about the exam date, so soon exam date will be announced. Since they are giving the time, so I think it will take some time, around one and more than 1 week or 10 days or 15 days. Again, it completely depends on them, so it's good that you are getting the chance to prepare all those stuff. Okay, so utilize this time properly and focus on especially DSA questions. They have clearly mentioned the greedy based heap questions and the DP question, other things. So question level will be, of course there will be a difficult level since they are providing the 21 LPA or 18 or 9 LPA, then accordingly वही पेपर थोड़ा हार्ड रहेगा. So you have to prepare very well and brush up your resume and the projects and all those stuff by the sideline. Okay, so these are short updates. I think you got the clarity. I remember two friends TCS NQT interview result. I will make dedicated videos. Many students are getting the result. Okay, so I will make a detailed video for that, but for timing I will suggest everyone must join our Infosys WhatsApp group. There you will get all those updates whenever any update will coming, and I have already shared the pre-preparation materials and the PYQs of the previous shifts. So if you want all those stuff you can join, and कोई भी query है we can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or Facebook or anywhere you can ask your query. So for now I will just start doing coding. Okay, you will be required because in online you might do some cheating and other, but in offline you have to be do. Okay, so just join this group. I have shared all those stuff here. कोई भी query है you can ask here. So please share and like this video so that we will not miss any job updates. Next video. Thank you.